In England, I found a man who trekked 4,000 miles across the Amazon River. For the first time ever, meet Ed Stafford. Ed Stafford is a British explorer who trekked across the entire length of the Amazon River. Ed Stafford started his journey on the southern coast of Peru, and the entire expedition lasted 859 days. Along the way, Ed Stafford met a lot of obstacles, but he did not give up. Rather, he kept going. Guys, Ed Stafford's expedition is the longest jungle trek in history, and Ed Stafford is proof that as humans, we should never ever give up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.